South Korea has recently come to our attention due to its pop culture, but the beautifully preserved traditional buildings and neighborhoods reveal the country's rich history. Let's go back in time by visiting the Bukchon Palace, the most important royal palace of the Joseon dynasty. In the biggest of the 5 grand palaces, you'll see the royal residing quarters and 2 of Korea's national treasures, the pavilion, used for state banquets, and the throne hall, where the king gave audiences and important announcements, with its beautiful ceilings and walls painted in a traditional style. Near the palace, you have the National Palace Museum of Korea, the National Museum of Korean Contemporary History, and the Gwanghwamun Square, with a majestic statue of King Sejong the Great. Our next stop is Insa-dong, a street displaying traditional Korean culture with antique art, lots of restaurants, tea houses, and craft shops. It sells great souvenirs, and it's known as Seoul's Gallery Street, with plenty of art galleries to visit. Samcheong-dong is an area full of charm, where the old and the new coexist, and restaurants, cafes, galleries, specialty and designer shops occupy the Hanoks, the traditional Korean houses. Nearby you have the Bukchon Hanok village, where members of the royal family and government officials used to live. Most of the Hanoks now function as cultural centers and museums, and this is also a popular filming location for period K-dramas. Summers are very hot and humid in South Korea, and the pouring rain isn't reserved for Korean dramas. Don't forget to bring your umbrella, you'll need it. You absolutely must try the delicious Korean fried chicken, and of course the popular Korean barbecue. Apart from the tender meat, it comes with several side dishes, including kimchi, all of which should be complemented with soju, Korea's most popular drink. The Seoul Plaza is directly in front of the city hall, but the real star around here is the Doksugung Palace. Doksugung is another one of the 5 grand palaces, and it had a crucial part in Korea's history. Enjoy the buildings and the luscious gardens of a place that helped the transition between the old and modern eras. The changing of the royal guard ceremony is an absolute must-see. Doksugung doldam-gil, with its stone wall and surrounding trees, will take you straight to the Seoul Museum of Art. I found this to be a great place to have a delicious, traditional and inexpensive lunch. Time to do some shopping at Hongdae, an area with a youthful atmosphere where all the aspiring pop idols come to showcase their talent. You'll spot all of the latest trends in the several clothing and accessory shops, but Hongdae is also known for its great restaurants, cafes, clubs and theaters. Get a rest from the busy streets by going to Solo 7017, an elevated park near Seoul Station. The garden is about 1 kilometer long, and it has more than 20,000 plants, perfect to relax and breathe some fresh air. If you're a K-pop fan, the MYEONG-DONG Underground Station is the place for you, as you'll be able to find everything you could possibly imagine with the face of your favorite artists. But you need to go out into the street to see Korea's most famous shopping district. You'll get great deals on clothes, shoes and accessories, shop at international brands, and you'll also be able to buy some Korean cosmetics. Have some food on the street markets, have a drink at some adorable cafe, or simply stroll around the area through the neon-lit streets. The Seoul Tower is a national landmark that offers you a fantastic view of the city. I found it to be especially magical at night, and on your way to the tower, you'll see the colorful love padlocks hung by visitors looking for eternal love, and the lovely traditional building. You can see the nightscape from the observatory, the revolving restaurant, or if you're afraid of heights, the gardens also offer you a complete view of Seoul. On your way to Dongdaemun Design Plaza, you'll pass by one of the 8 gates of Seoul and the Songhaecheon Stream, a 10-kilometer modern stream that goes all the way through downtown Seoul. The Design Plaza, with its outstanding futuristic design and unique statues, is home to several retail stores and to the Seoul Fashion Week. Garsugir has some of the coolest stores and cafes in Seoul, all carefully designed and decorated. The whole area is a delight to walk around, with charming boutiques hidden in every alleyway. Korea loves an underground shopping mall, and the one in Gangnam Station is definitely one of the best. The 600 shops go all the way to the Seoul Express bus terminal, offering you the latest fashion trends, shoes, accessories and cosmetics at a discounted price. The COEX Mall, the largest underground shopping center in Asia, was another one of my favorites. It has an excellent food court and also the incredible Starfield Library, where people can sit down and browse through the different books and domestic and foreign magazines. magazines. Right next to it you have the SM Town, where you'll be able to see and buy everything related to SM entertainment. Home to groups like EXO, Red Velvet and Girls' Generation, this complex has a museum showcasing the artists' music albums, stage and music videos, photos and outfits, a cafe and market with drinks and desserts, an amazing gift shop selling albums, clothes and accessories, and also the biggest hologram theater in Korea. Let's go to South Korea's tallest building, the Lotte World Tower, where you'll have a 360-degree view of the city from the Seoul Sky Observatory. Connected to the tower is the Lotte World Mall, an amazing place to shop, eat, and ideal for those who love entertainment. It has an aquarium, and through the underground station you'll get to Lotte World Adventure, the world's largest indoor amusement park. Last but not least, we have Common Ground, the biggest container shopping mall in the world. It has 70 stores selling trendy clothes, many from Korean designers, an art gallery, restaurants and cafes, and it even has a live DJ. Also, some of the 200 shipping containers can be moved to change the layout and design of the space. Hope you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and have fun in Seoul.